Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students in your mathematics online class. I hope you all have understood how to find the area of a parallelogram. Now today we are going to study about triangle, area of a triangle. So formula to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 base into height. And if your triangle is an equilateral triangle, then the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle is √3/4 into side square. The value of √3 is 1.732. So we put the value here. Okay, let's begin the exercise 22D. This is question number 2. Find the area of the triangle whose base and altitude are as under. What is given here? Base and altitude is given. So we have to find the area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equals to 1/2 base into height. Base is given 1/2. Base is 10.5 and height, or you can say altitude, is 6. 2 1 times, 2 3 times. On multiplication you get the answer 31.5 centimeter square. Next question I have taken, question number 3. Find the area of the following figures. I have taken this third part. Here you have to find the area of this figure. So what we do here, first we divide this figure into two parts like this, and now you can see that this figure is divided into two parts. This is triangle and this is rectangle. So first we find the area of a triangle, and then we find out the area of rectangle, and then we add both the areas to find the area of a whole figure. So let's find out the base of this triangle. What would be the dimension of this triangle? See, this hole is 9, right? This is 3. So when we subtract 9 and 3, we get 6. So here we get 6. So the base of this triangle is 6. Now we'll talk about height. This whole length is 5 and this is 1.5. So when we subtract 5 and 1.5, we get this length. So we get here 3.5. So this is height and this is base. So let's find out the area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equals to 1/2 base into height. 1/2, 6 is base and height is 3.5. 2 1 times, 2 3 times. So here we get 10.5. Then area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 9 and breadth is 1.5. This is length and this is breadth. Then we get here 13.5. So area of figure is equals to area of triangle plus area of rectangle. So area of triangle is 10.5 and area of rectangle is 13.5. On adding we get 24. This is our required answer. Similarly, you can find out the areas of these figures also. Here in this figure what you have to do, you have to divide this figure like this. So here you get, this is your triangle and this is your rectangle. So this is a rectangle, so this is 9, so this would also be 9, right? So here you get the height of a triangle 9, and what would be the base? This is 9 and this whole is 13. So subtract 13 and 9, you will get the base, that is 4. So you have use this value and this value to find out the area of a triangle, and then find out the area of rectangle, and then add both the areas. Now similarly in this figure, divide this figure like this. So here you get the two shapes. Here this is triangle and this is rectangle, right? Now see this, what would be the height here? Here the height of the triangle is 4. This is height and this is base. So here you get the base and here you get the height of a triangle. You can easily find out the area of this triangle. Then this rectangle, this is your length and this is your breadth, so you can easily find out the area of this rectangle. Find the area of both the shapes and then add. So you will do yourself, okay? Next question is question number 8. The base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3 and its area is 48 centimeter square. Find its base and height. So let's do, let the base and height of a triangle be 2x and 3x. So this is our base and this is our height. Now what is given? Area of a triangle is given. So area of triangle is equals to 1/2 base into height. Area is given, that is 48. 1/2 base 2x and height is 3x. Cancel 2 and 2, then multiply x and 3x square. Here you get 3x square. Now we transfer 3 this side. So here we get x square is equals to 16. Now apply square root on both the sides. So here you get x and the square root of 16 is 4. So here we have got the value of x. The value of x is 4. Now we will find out the base. What is the base here? Base here is 2x, right? 2x means 2 multiplied by x. So 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. This is base. And height is 3x. 3x means 3 multiplied by x, and the value of x is 4. So here we get 12 centimeter. So this is our base and this is our height. Next question number 9. A rectangular field is 24 meter long and 15 meter wide. How many triangular flower beds, each of base 3 meter and altitude 4 meter, can be laid in this field? So first we find out the area of a rectangular field. Area of rectangular field is equals to length into breadth. It means 24 into 15. Then area of flower beds. Flower beds are in the form of a triangle, right, whose base and height is given. So we use a formula of a triangle, 1/2 base into height. Base is 3 meter and height is 4 meters. So 2 1 times 2 2 times. So here we get the area of a flower bed 6 meters square. Now how we have to find the number of flower beds. So number of flower beds is equals to area of rectangular field divided by area of flower bed. So area of rectangular field 24 into 15 and area of flower bed is 6. 6 1 times, 6 4 times. So here we get 60.